So today I'm working on replacing our quick jack spring, which has been broken since last year. Finally got a replacement. Yeah, I'll show you how to do that here. Set of wire cutters and some ring pliers. Pull that off. Get the old zip ties off of here that I've had holding the pedal and the spring together so that I can still use the jack. Boom. See, now what happens is the pedal doesn't return, right? So that's pretty much step one. I think the rest is pretty easy. Just kind of push the pin out. I'll have to get this to a point where I can get this off. But yeah, we'll get there in a second. And pin out. Now there's a number of things in here that need to be sort of in order, including another spring to bring the main handle up, but it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to clean the pin and just leave my long extension through there. It's just a 3/8 extension, nothing crazy, but I'm going to clean up the pin and not get whacked in the head with this thing, and yeah, put it all back together with the new. And so pretty simply, I just pulled the main pin out, cleaned it up, lubed it up, kept the spring in place, this piece in place. These pieces will all drop when you pull the pin out, and then when you pull it, put it all back together, you just need to line it all back up, and then you can pull the spring around your pedal. Just put the snap ring back on and you're pretty much ready to go. Pretty simple, right? And now got our spring reinstalled, or new spring installed, and now look at that. Does the thing. Yay, finally, after a year of not having the quick pedal, it's nice again. But yeah, I don't know, at some point I gotta put oil in this thing so it goes full height again.
If you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. I think that's what they say. And if you can, comment. We'd love to interact with our fans, our customers. You know, it's pouring outside. Yeah, hit the like button, hit the share, subscribe, get it to your friends. Let's get this stuff around.